If you have a Latvian grandmother, you should probably go help her in the spring. I mean, she probably still has a small farm running on manual labor, your manual labor. So there's a lot of things to do. You should go garden or plant things, to help her clean up. If you don't do that, you will probably feel really guilty. Sure, there's a lot of work to do, but, at least the food is good. It's the same thing if your grandmother is dead, or as Latvians say, has gone into eternity. I mean, if she starts visiting you in your dreams, this is the time to visit the cemetery. You do the same thing, some gardening and some cleaning, feel the same amount of guilt, but there's no food. So it doesn't really matter if your grandmother is dead or alive. You should just go clean her place in the spring. Oh, she's watching. Ciao!